Hello everyone. We have two bags in here, and quickly, if this is your first time here, welcome. If you have been here before, I'm sorry, it's pretty shameless of me to show up like that after a year that I've been gone. I'm gonna leave the first message on the comments about like what's been going on and how my past year has been, so I don't make this video long and boring, okay? So the shoe bags I didn't buy now exactly. They are both like the two bags that I bought last year. While I was away from the channel, these are the bags I bought. I only bought two bags. Both of them were pre-owned and they're both Chanel. So I think Chanel bags are a little bit not trending on YouTube for a while. It's all about Hermes, and I get it. Before that, my last three bags were Hermes, but I realized like I don't think I'm gonna shop for Chanel in store ever again. And my first pre-owned bag was, and only before those shoes were the Picoteau from Hermes, and I kind of enjoy it. But I also don't think I'm gonna shop Hermes pre-owned ever unless it's vintage. So let's go to it. One of these was like is super special. This is a bag that I wanted to have in my closet or my collection, but I didn't think I would buy it at this age. I think I would buy it like in my 40s or 50s. And it's a very special bag, but it might be an unpopular choice opinion. It's special, but some people might not like it, and you'll understand why. The second bag, which was actually the one I got first, was was more a utilitarian bag. I needed something casual that I could like walk around in, and I know this sounds not casual for most, but this is what's casual for me. So I needed casual look and casual colors, not casual as in I need a Canva bag or something like that. I have a Goyard bag for that or something. But I need like a dressed up bag that would feel more casual than a classic Chanel bag or a Hermes bag, the ones I have at least. So we'll start with that, the one I got first. I got it in the box, like the right box, the bag and everything, and the receipt, but because I bought this in Brazil, both of them, I had to leave like the box there because I wouldn't like travel with it. So the only thing for this bag, they gave me like a shoe dust bag. I'm gonna try to find a real bag one. So you ready? Of course you are. You're here for that. Stop talking. The Chanel 19 from 2021, tweed, and it's like this very casual, like it doesn't even look like tweed as much. It doesn't have like all these different like creds hanging, but it is like a wool bag. So I'll show you shots from up close. They have the mixed hardware. So it's like this aged gold and like platinum or something. And I'll show you all about it, how it's inside and everything. Okay, so I keep it with this thing that comes from Amazon always. And insert, always, 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 always. I don't have the insert for the second one because that one is really new, but for this one, yes. And so removing the insert for you to see. So there is one back pocket. It's all clean and beautiful. From up close, you're gonna see that this tweed is very like rustic. It's not put together. It is like threads everywhere. I should probably like shave or cut it a bit, but so to a lot of you, we're gonna be like, this is not a casual bag. Well, it is a bag which is casual to me, if you know what I mean. Like, it feels casual. I don't think this is dressed up. Like the chunky chains, these like the leather shoulder on the chain. I don't know. I think it's like heavy, so it's like more like cool but casual bag for me. So this was the kind of like casual bag I was looking for. Not saying that this is the most casual bag ever made in history. Like, no, that's not. Let's be honest. It is just what I was looking for. So this was like a gorgeous buy. I've been wearing it a lot, so I love it. And I'm gonna wait until I make 1 year, which is March. I got this in March last year. So I can do a review, like a proper review on how it looks and how it is. But if you have any questions about these bags, make it a point to leave it down below so I can answer it. And if I don't know, I can like try to learn it in the meanwhile, and then do it on my 1 year review videos. And then let's go to the really special one. Really special one. Oh my god, I forgot the year. Oh, I know the year. I know the year. I know the year. So this bag is something. It's a Chanel classic flat. But it's something Chanel doesn't make anymore. And that's why I say it could be a little bit controversial, because it's an exotic skin. So this is the 2018 pristine. I don't think this was ever like worn. Snakeskin Chanel. And the color for me is absolutely perfect. I have to say, like, I never wanted the classic beige Chanel. I think that tone doesn't match my skin, or I don't really like it. But this is more like my kind of neutral, I'd say. I think it fits just better with my skin. And I love actually I normally go for silver hardware, so like palladium and whatever. But this like champagne gold and this actually looks amazing. I love it. I'm obsessed. I got this around Christmas. I only wore it once for now, and I wanted to show you guys. So it's a snakeskin. You have the regular closure, is double flap. Inside it's pristine. I really need an insert for that. You can see like, okay, I just saw one like letter mark inside the inside bag. Oh my god. Here, like, I don't never use this because it really can ruin the shape of the bag, but you have this and the back pocket. Yeah, I hope you like the details of that, and I hope you like to see it. Let me know any questions. This was a really, like, this is really hard to find and really hard to see. And normally the premium on them are high if they're like this. You find a lot of like exotic leather bags that are worn out for cheap. You still find them. But like something like this is really hard to find. And when I saw this in Sao Paulo, I was like, I wasn't ready to buy this. I was going for something else. But this is like, I might not ever find this again. So I was about to buy another one that was like half the price. But then I said, which it's also a very different one. So I'm still have that in mind. But I'm like, no, I need to get this one. This one won't come again. I love it. I'm gonna show you and my body both. And you let me know which one's more your style. Would you get exotic leather even or never? Or only if it's pre-owned like I did? To be honest, there's another exotic leather I want to bag in. So I was close to the idea once, but I think I got older. As I got older, I stopped caring. I know it's bad, but I did. So yes, I hope you like it. Check it out how it looks on me, and I see you next time.